Here the chiller refrigerant monitor. As we see, this is the monitor for the refrigerant because we have chiller inside. I'll show to you. Okay, let's open this door. We have here chiller number 2, okay, and we have here chiller number 1, okay. So in this room we have 2 chillers. Maybe there is sometimes there is leakage or the refrigerant go out and leak. By this way we have this refrigerant monitor. As we see, this is how it look like. Okay, this monitor, it gives many indication. It's starting with blue. If it's blue light, it is caution. This means there is risk but not high risk. So this means this is the first level of risk. This is the blue one, it's like caution. If it's more leakage and there is more problem, it will give us like warning. It's giving the amber color. Okay, if it's more leakage of the refrigerant, it will give us alarm. This is the red light, it will be turned on, the red light. Okay, if there is leakage and there is damage in the unit or something and the place is full of refrigerant, by this way it will give us like buzzer. Here we have a speaker, it will give us like buzzer sound. It will give alarm, the red one with buzzer. Buzzer, this means there is trouble. This trouble and big problem happened in the place. So when it started with the blue in caution, we must move and we must take action. This is very important, the chiller refrigerant monitor, to save the cost, because the more that you can catch the refrigerant leakage and you fix it, the more you save money. Also it saves the environment. The most important is to save the environment, because as you know the refrigerant is very harm to ozone and very harm to health. So this is the chiller refrigerant monitor and how we know that there is problem in the chiller room. Thanks.